Uh, in Java, what is the difference between local variable as well? Sorry, what is the difference between static and instant variable?
So for you are saying like static and instance variable, right?
Yes.
So, okay, so for the static variable, you can directly call that particular variable with the help of the class annotation. And sorry, no, not the annotation. Like the you can directly call with the class, but that is not in the case with the static variable. So instance variable, you have to create the instance of the class, then you can call it. So it basically, it takes out the you can say once you define any variable as static one, so it comes under the scope of the class itself.
Okay. Akash, can you please see straight? Because straight and your face should. Okay. No, I'm not telling your face and your eye should only up.
Okay, no sure.
Okay. Okay. Can we call a static method with null object?
Can we call a static method with a null object? A static method.
Akash, can you please sit straight? No, your eyes is always down.
Okay. So should I look in the camera or should I look into? Okay.
No, you should. Your eyes should be up or not down.
Okay. Now I'm not holding anything. Like so. Should I
No, no,
be?
no, no, no. No, for recording, na, that is the reason I was asking.
Okay. No, actually, your skin is there, but the camera is there, so that's fine.
Okay, 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 okay.
Um. Okay. For the null, I don't think.
Okay, no issues.
Yeah.
No issues. We will move to the next question. What is the difference between array and array list?
So for array, it has a specific size you need to define while defining the array. So for example, you can say it has 10 of the size, so you have to explicitly define the size. Whereas when once that size has been filled, then you cannot fill the next element on it. So you have to statistically define that particular size. You have to increase it, but that is not the case with array list. So for example, if 75% of it is being used, then it automatically it automatically double its size. And also um, yeah, that is the major difference why it
Okay,
has been introduced.
okay. What is the difference between HashSet and TreeSet?
Okay, so HashSet actually so HashSet actually have allow the null values where the tree set does not, and a HashSet is also not thread safe, whereas tree set is also tree set is you are talking about the HashSet, right? Not
Yes, HashSet and TreeSet.
HashSet and tree set. Okay, sorry. So HashSet allows the null value, whereas tree set does not allow that, and as well as mm, since these are two implementation of the asset, so they always allow the unique values. And
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Let's start. Akash, you sit straight. You are no, 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 no. When I was asking question, you can asking or you are telling the response. You can always see straight. No need to see down or cross. Even though you are not using anything, but I'm telling because video is recording. What is the different list available in the collections?
Different list,
Different
different implementation of the list, right? You are saying.
different list available in collections.
So we have array list, and then we have linked list, then mm, we have list implementation.
Okay. Do you what is a vector?
Sorry.
What is vector?
Vector is basically is it's a, first of all it's a legacy class, and also it actually I've not used it, but I think it works as same as I think it works as same as I think it works as same as
Okay,
list
there is
also.
a
If
okay, no issues. There is a different way to handling the exception, right? What are the ways we can handling our exception?
So either way, we can use the try catch block, and or we can use within the class we can use the source keyword to handle those exceptions.
Okay. Uh, Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Dugesh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just a 1 minute. Hello.
Yeah. Dugesh.
Okay. You already mentioned Java 8. You have 4 months experience, right?
Yeah. 4 months. Yeah.
Okay. In Java 8, why we are going for in Java 8? Did you use what are all the things you used?
I used a bit of streams API and anonymous functions, uh, and the functionality, the different functionality of the interface which they have introduced, like static and default method, all those things. And somewhere we have also used the function interface, but not rigorously.
Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Can you please tell that what are in functional interface, right? There is some standard library we are using in functional interface, right? Can you please list out that?
Standard libraries.
Yes, in functional interface, we are using some standard libraries, right?
mm, Standard libraries, like you wanted to check out the package or something like that, or is the
Yes. For example, in function interface, java.util dot function dot package. In that function, we have some common things is included, right?
For that, I think we like initially, like when you defining your custom interface, you have to annotate with at the rate functional interface. That is the first thing when declaring your custom interface. And the other thing is like uh, then you define that particular interface, and then you created the instance of it, and you can use it. Other than that, what are the packages? I think
Okay, okay,
yeah,
okay, no issues. Explain. Uh, hello,
yeah.
hello,
Hello, yeah, Durgesh. My voice is not reachable.
Akash,
Hello, Durgesh.
hello,
Durgesh, I am able to hear you.
Akash. I think you are facing some network issue from your end.
I'm not. I'm not think so because I'm able to hear you. Hear you.
Hello.
Hello, Durgesh.
Yes, I think. Can you able to hear me?
Yes, 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 Durgesh. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. What is the difference between intermediate and terminal operations?
So, intermediate operation, the output of the intermediate operation is stream itself, and the thing with the terminal operation is like it will give you the output in the format which you require by using some of the predefined functions. And as well as the thing is with the terminal operation is like they are lazy loaded, basically means once if you are not using any terminal operation, then they are lazily initialized, and it is they are always give you the output as an stream. For example, for the intermediate operation we have map, we have filter, and for the terminal operation we have
Okay,
collect, we have for each.
okay. Hello.
Yeah, Durgesh.
Uh, yes, I can able to hear you. Can you able to hear me?
Yes, yes,
Hello,
yes, Durgesh. I will tell you.
hello.
Yeah, Durgesh.
Okay. What
Yeah,
are the possible in Spring? Hello.
yes, Durgesh. Yes.
Actually, actually, your voice is breaking. Can you please check with your network?
Okay. Mm,
Hello.
network is correct only. Means it is having good range areas. I think. Can
Okay.
you check it from your side? I think might be an issue from your side also, because I'm able.
One second.
Yeah.
Okay, once give me 1 minute. I will check and I will tell you.
Okay.
Just now I check. I will check 1 second. One. Hello.
Yeah, Durgesh.
Okay. What are the possible sources when you are configure externally in Spring Boot?
Can you repeat your question? Your
What
voice
are
is
the possibility? What are all the possibilities when you configure the external configurations?
okay. Possibilities like you can configure. If you are using any of the uh, the things like for example, if you are using any of particular databases. So for example, you can define dot. You can download those things by the Maven repository. So you can define it in the pom.xml, and as well as if there are certain values that you are using within the coding, so you can define it in the application.properties. And apart from that, I think yes, these are the two ways where you can define an external ones.
Okay, what is the difference between a REST controller and controller?
So REST controller actually consists of the controller as well as the response body, whereas controller is basically the controller. It has to be used with REST body to accommodate with the request which is coming from the context of the serverless dispatcher.
Can you please come again?
I'm saying that the REST controller consists of the controller at the controller as well as the REST body at the REST body. But REST controller comes in a single one. So for the REST API, if you are using the Spring Boot, then you have to make sure that you are using the at the rate REST body also. So for the context to be coming out to you by the view resolver. Yogesh, you able to hear me, right?
Yes, I can able to
Okay.
hear you.
Okay. Great.
Okay, what is the difference between JPA and Hibernate?
Sorry, JTN.
JPA and Hibernate.
JT, as far as
No, no, no. JPA and Hibernate.
JPA and Hibernate, uh, JPA. Actually, I know a bit of Hibernate. I have not used those. Like Hibernate is actually is an ORM, Object Relationship Manager, and
Okay,
yeah,
okay. How you can create a customized endpoint in Spring Boot actuators?
customize endpoint and Spring actuator.
Spring Boot actuators.
Okay, custom endpoint. Uh, Custom endpoints in the Spring actuator. Um, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we use a Spring Boot application?
Mhm.
You need to create a Spring Boot application without using Spring. Is it possible?
Without using Spring. Okay.
Hmm.
Without using Spring, I have not used. I have no idea about it, but because we are always using that Spring initializer for that to create a
Okay. Can we create a web application in Spring Boot?
non-web application. Yeah.
Hmm. How you can do that?
I think. Uh, okay. I think with the Spring Core packages, you won't be required any. Okay. Um, Means you can use that. Okay, REST APIs does not come under that web things, right? So you can use that REST APIs thing to to make those Spring Boot applications in a rapid deployment. So for example, if you are not using the Spring MVC, then you are not talking about the model view controller as a model. You are talk.
Okay. Okay. Uh, okay, Akash. Actually, I was done with my interview. I will share my feedback with the talent acquisitions team.
Okay.
You have any other queries?
Uh, no, not specifically.
One second.
Yeah.
Okay, I will share my feedback to the HR team. HR will revert back to you.
Great, good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tokesh. Yeah.
Thank you, bye.